Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Caraga Region, Barangay Duungan, Butuan City. General Orders Number Caraga-0725-01 dated July 14, 2025. Pursuant to applicable laws and rules, the following individuals are hereby appointed as Jail Officer 1 of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology through regular quota and permanent status effective July 16, 2025 with a monthly basic salary of 29,668 pesos only. So with Tate John Michael Borol, Poblacion, Mayugan City.